Kitchen test.
My phone.
Hey guys, this is my iPhone 11. That's right, real men wear pink. And I got some sad news to tell you. Sad news. So previously I was using this case and unfortunately my wife dropped this iPhone 11 and if you can see right there, there is a tiny little chip right there. It's very not noticeable, but it dropped and I guess a little rock chipped it. Unfortunate, and the problem with that is this case's clearance between the display and the side is very minimal. So I got two new cases. I've already shown you what this amazing pink one looks like. However, this is the case I'm really excited to show you. It's fashionable and elegant protective case. Look at this right there. It is full-on installation guide, warranty card, and it's like a friggin' shell for your phone. This is when you want to make it a lot more rugged. So let's just see how this works. I'm gonna just go for the gut. Is this, I got the big side. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I guess I can't really show you if this works because I got the wrong side. Okay, right there. My phone is really shielded the hell up. I know it's the wrong size, but I can. What's wrong?
Maybe breaking my phone.
That's right. It's made for this. It's made to smash around. So as you can see, I'm actually having some fun with this protection case. Kitchen test. Do you reckon it's a break? You know what? I smashed it. All right, guys, don't go throwing your phone around the kitchen, even if you have one of these super cases, because you can still smash it. Luckily, I used my broken iPod anyways, but maybe it didn't quite work as well because it moved around a bit much inside the case itself because it gets a bit violent. So maybe it's not that bad. But yeah, don't go throwing it around like what I just did. There is Dia Clara, fashionable and protective.